I could have seen it back when Raw was really, really struggling. Right. And I could have seen them using a trademark that they own.
Yeah, WWE overcooked.
No, that being Nitro.
Well, I mean, they were going to kind of go the Nitro route with Vince's original idea with the purchase of WCW.
Yep.
Jobbed out, says WWE overcooked. And you see, when it comes to WCW's Nitro, I always said that Nitro sounded way too much like Raw. And how you've got Monday Nitro, Monday Night Raw, Monday Night Raw, Monday Nitro. Like it just,
I can see where you're coming from on that.